We are getting ready to leave the beach. We got some thunder boomers coming. Oh boy, yeah, it's dark over there. That's awesome looking. You want to wiggle? Bryce! Well, yeah, it's about to bust loose right here on us. Pricey. Looks like a tornado could drop right out of there. You can barely see that pier down there. It's coming close. That is wicked looking. Come on, Bryce. You got about 5 to 10 minutes and it's going to be coming down. Yeah, it sneaked up on us quick, didn't it?
That guy out there is a really good surfer.
Oh yeah, I've seen him. Dry off, get your shirt on so you're not so sticky.
Where's Pedro? Look at that cloud right there.
See it curling down like that?
Could there be a tornado?
No, not right there.
No, like anywhere.
Well, you'll know it. You'll see it. I mean, there'll be some movement in the air, some twirling going on. Go ahead and get your towel. Get my towel too, please. I mean my not my towel, my shirt.
I didn't get